In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a buy button in Shopify and seamlessly integrate it into your Wix website. This is perfect for those of you who want to expand your reach and sell your products directly from your Wix site using the robust e-commerce features of Shopify. We'll walk through the steps in detail so you feel confident every step of the way. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin. Here, you'll find all sorts of tools to help manage your online store. What we're interested in today is the Buy Button feature. This tool is incredibly useful for selling products outside of the Shopify platform itself. It allows you to create a custom shopping experience on almost any website. Once in the admin panel, look for Sales Channels and select Buy Button. This is where you can start crafting your Buy Button for the product or products you want to feature on your Wix site. After choosing the product, Shopify will guide you through the options for customizing the appearance and functionality of your Buy Button. This stage allows you to decide how it will look and interact with your customers. Once you're satisfied with the settings, it's time to generate the Buy Button. With just a few clicks, Shopify will generate an embed code just for you. The next step is copying this code. This code is the key ingredient you'll be adding to your Wix site, so make sure it's copied to your clipboard. Be careful to copy it accurately, as this will ensure your Buy Button functions correctly once it's live on your Wix site. Now, let's switch gears and move over to your Wix website. Once you're logged into your Wix editor, you'll need to decide where you'd like your product to appear. You can add it to an existing page or create a new one just for your Shopify products. Once you've made your decision, you'll need to add an HTML iframe element. Look through the Wix Elements panel and find the one labeled HTML iframe. This element is going to serve as the container where your Shopify Buy Button will live. After placing the HTML iframe, click on it to access its settings. This is where your previously copied Shopify embed code will be pasted. Make sure you've got it in correctly, as this is what connects the two platforms and displays your product for sale. With everything set up, take a moment to preview your Wix page. Ensure that the Buy Button appears as expected and functions smoothly. You should test the purchasing flow to confirm everything is working properly and that customers are able to buy your products without issue. And there you have it. You've now successfully created a Buy Button in Shopify and integrated it into your Wix website. This simple yet powerful feature opens up a whole new channel for your sales and can significantly boost your online business profile. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling.